My top 5 favorite anime MCs of all time, and how to draw them as cool aliens. At number 5, I got probably the most patient and decent MC of all time, the type of person you'd be happy with as a friend in real life, Yugi from Yu-Gi-Oh! Now, as a child, I think I preferred the alter ego Yugi took on when he transformed in duels, Yami. But since Yami was not the MC, and also because as the years went by, I admired Yugi more and more, this is how he made the list. Favorite thing is that regardless of the situation or the enemies, whether it is in a duel or not, even when he obviously doesn't have a size advantage, Yugi will stand up for his pals. So we're drawing Yugi. It may seem like it's just a redraw, but technically this is Yugi done in a chibi style. Easiest way if you are a newbie is to try and copy the same character and pose regardless of your desired style.